Hello guys, this is Lee from Lady Lee's Home, and this is the second video in this trailer modifying adventure of mine. This project is basically the first time that I work with metal in this way and weld and cut and do all those things. This is an old frame of a small trailer that was sitting in my yard. It came with the house when we bought it back in 2016, and for some reason I knew that I should not get rid of it. Last year I got me a four-wheeler so I can move between my properties, and decided to modify this old trailer frame and create a trailer for my four-wheeler. I will link part 1 below so you can take a look at what we've done. And to this point, what you're seeing me doing right now is just taking some of the metal off, because our wheels, the ones that we have and want to put on there, are a little fat. I wanted to have some wheels that have, good amount of air in them and good width. So if I put something that is a little heavy on this trailer, it will be steady and I can, pull it on gravel roads or dirt roads or on the field or whatever. So we had to get rid of some of the metal over on the edges. It was a little bit of a challenge, but as you can see right here, we got the wheel to fit pretty well. Problem was that as we were, hammering some of the metal away and cutting and moving the things, the bar that we only attached, welded on one side and in only a few places, meaning to keep working on it later, this center bar kind of fell completely off. So we had to go back again and grind and kind of clean some of the rust and then weld it back in place. Now that the center bar is welded, still mostly just on one side, but that's fine for right now, it was time to work on welding the second piece of metal that will hold the second wheel. And once that was done, we flipped the trailer over and welded everything on the other side. The bar on the top, the thingy, the little piece that holds the other wheel, we welded it from a few different angles, a few different places, all around pretty much, to make sure that it's secure in place. Again, this is just for me to practice how to weld. I have a really good friend that have a lot of experience, and he was kind enough to kind of walk me through it and teach me everything that he knows, and I'm really grateful. This is not done yet. Next we are going to have to kind of get rid of some of the rust, grind it and get rid of the rust, and then prime and then paint. We still have to work on the area where the trailer connects to the four-wheeler, because that part is broken, and we'll have to weld that too. And then there's gonna be wood to put on all of that to make the actual trailer, so I can hold compost or gravel or sand or whatever I have to move from one place to another. That all will be in the next video or couple video, not sure, we'll see how this goes. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask. I don't know if I can answer too many welding questions, but I'll love to hear your thoughts, and hopefully this turns out to be something that will help me around the homestead. Hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you again in the next one.